I can feel the love I want, I can feel the love I need, but it's never gonna come the way I am. Could I change it if I want? Can I rise above the flood? Will it wash out in the water, or is it always in the blood? How much of my mother has my mother left in me? How much of Well, I've seen men old before their time, their faces lined and grey. I never thought so soon would mine be lining the self-same way. I was tall and true, all of 6'2", but they broke me across the back by a name unknown, and it's not my own. They call me Crooked Jack. In Banbridge town in the county down one morning last July, by a boring grave came a sweet Colleen, and she smiled as she passed me by. She looked so sweet with the 2 bare feet and the sheen of the nut brown hair. Such a coaxing, it was sure I shook myself if the sea was really there. From Bantry Bay up to Derry Quay, up a Galway to Dublin town, no maid I've seen like a sweet Colleen, she's the star of the county down. Angeville across the border in the year of odd 16. The people of Columbus still hear him riding in their dreams. He killed 17 civilians, you could hear the women scream. Black Jet pursing on his dancing horse was waiting in the wings. Tonight we'll ride, tonight we'll ride. We'll skin old Pancho Villa, make his chaps out of his hide, shoot his horse away the wings. Take out your heartland hinges, hanging off the gates of hell. Look at feet to turn to me, baby, if we don't treat you well. And by he and me, so I laughed and I shook his hands, and he laughed a little bit louder as he yelled up at the band. The train song, hold me one more round. Let me give you a song on the day they lay me down. I am a runaway locomotive out of a one-track line. Play train song, play train song. Giant doing cartwheels, statue wearing high heels. Look at all the happy creatures dancing all along. Dinosaur Victoria, listening to what Owens, looking at my back door. Tambourines and elephants are playing near the band. Won't you take a ride on the flying spoon? Giant separation, provided by magicians.